I'm Andrew Arnold, and I'm product leader for a company named ViewOps. Imagine you buy a car. It tells you when your oil is low, it gives you all sorts of feedback. And buildings have the potential to do that as well. ViewOps is a portal that an owner can use to enter all the documentation they get from any number of capital projects that they have into the system, and then it processes all that content to make searching for that information super easy. The key of using Forge is to make use of the 3D visualization capabilities in our software platform. We've got lots of examples where customers have said, give me the plans, that's all I care about. But once they see the 3D model, and particularly the easy way to navigate into it and get to the information that they want, we call it right information, right time, for a given situation that they're encountering, they get pretty excited about it. Imagine someone's working in ViewOps, looking in the viewer, they focus on an asset, they can pull up the work order history, they can pull up the trend data from the building management system, they can pull up FM data that came from the project itself, and also the supporting documents. So they have the context to really make decisions more quickly and manage their buildings more effectively. The Forge tool set for consuming models and providing API-based interfaces to those models have been absolutely mission critical to our ability to incorporate visualization into the ViewOps product. We're really happy about it.